Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best facial cleansing brush that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Facial Cleansing Spin Brush Rechargeable Electric. The facial cleansing brush comes in a convenient design. This will let you have a unique experience and helps to remove stubborn makeup, dirt, and debris from your face. A highly reliable product, this helps to leave your skin clean and smooth. With it, your skin will be able to absorb moisturizers, masks, and serums. Furthermore, this is very easy to operate and allows you to select from dual speed settings. Moreover, it comes in a lightweight design and it can be ideal for everyday use. The product also has multiple interchangeable brush heads that allow you to use it according to your requirements. This comes with ultra-soft bristles that let you have better flexibility. Additionally, it is very durable and it can be ideal for all types of skin types including sensitive skin and dry skin. This will let you have better exfoliation and it also has water-resistant construction. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ultrasonic technology facial cleansing brushes. Allowing you to use it on all types of skin, this facial cleansing brush comes in an innovative design. It has ultrasonic technology that can effectively perform gentle cleaning to remove acne, oil, dirt, blackhead, and makeup deciduous. This is highly reliable and does gentle exfoliation. Additionally, this comes in a multifunctional design as it has interchangeable heads. Moreover, the product allows you to make the most out of it as it helps to improve blood circulation. Furthermore, it comes in a wireless design allowing you to have maximum flexibility while using it. It has an electric rotation that delivers outstanding performance and you can even use it in showers due to its waterproof construction. The rotating head can rotate in 360 degrees providing you with superior performance. This runs with the help of powerful batteries and comes in a handheld design. At number 3, we have the Facial Cleansing Brush Set by Fancii. Here is a facial cleansing brush that comes in a travel-friendly design and includes a complete set. This runs with the help of AA batteries and the body is resistant to water. Moreover, it has dual speed settings that let you choose from gentle exfoliation and daily deep cleansing. Furthermore, it delivers gentle performance as it has soft nylon bristles. The product has an advanced microdermabrasion scrub system that can also reduce wrinkles and fine lines. You can easily use it on all types of skin and it comes in a cordless design that lets you have better convenience. You can even select from multiple brush heads as it has the ability to meet all your cleaning needs. It helps to prevent acne and provide you with smooth skin. At number 2, we have the Facial Cleaning Brush by Olay. The multiple advantages of this facial cleansing brush will make your skin youthful and glowing. This has a dual-speed facial cleansing brush that helps to renew your skin texture for a smooth feel. Moreover, it can be ideal for deep cleansing and you can even choose from gentle exfoliation. Additionally, it includes a water-resistant cleansing brush and comes in a complete set. This can be a perfect product for anyone and it comes in a travel-friendly design. Furthermore, the facial cleansing brush is very easy to use and helps to improve the effectiveness of your anti-aging moisturizer. You can even use it for professional purposes and it comes in a 3-piece cleaning kit. This is from a popular brand and helps to remove stubborn makeup. And finally at number 1, we have the Vanity Planet Facial Cleansing Brush. Providing you with a skin spa experience, this facial cleansing brush comes in handy design. You can easily take it anywhere you want and have a better advantage. Moreover, this will make your skin smooth and it helps to absorb your moisturizer in a proper way. Furthermore, you can use it conveniently and it also allows you to choose from multiple speed settings. It has a lightweight brush that allows you to use it according to your preference and use it for everyday purposes. Additionally, this includes 3 interchangeable brush heads and is a highly reliable product. This is also very durable and comes with flexible bristles for delivering gentle performance. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.